Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes every day to hang out with me. Today's video, I am looking wretched as hell, but it is wash day and I wasn't planning on filming today, but I am because IPSY Ultimate is in and I didn't even get tracking on it. I saw the spoilers for when you can do the add-ons and I was not feeling this box. I actually was ranting to my girl Jackie Naturals about how pissed I was at myself for unpausing it for this month's box, and my plus isn't in yet, but after comparing the two, spoiler alert, I would have been happy just with my plus instead of this, so I am regretting it a little bit. The only thing I'm really excited about is the actual bag that you get with Ultimate, but I am thinking about pausing it again for February, and if it happens to be really good, good. If it doesn't, it's okay. Another spoiler alert, on my second BOXYCHARM account where I just get the base box, I'm on the waiting list for premium because premium there seems to be variations and you can choose 2 different products now for choice. I think $35 will be better well spent that way than Ultimate. Maybe this is another opinion. I know I'm kind of going on a rant without unboxing it, but I'm sorry, I just have a lot of feelings about IPSY Ultimate right now. But I also feel that ever since they launched Ultimate, the products, the brands, the value hasn't really been here, and they've been cutting corners with just adding in like 111 skin $200 value items instead of, you know, more items that are about like $30. You know, I would be more happier like with multiple $30 items as opposed to like one $200 item. That's just me and my preference, because you can get like Pharmacy, Huda, Elemis, I don't know, I'm just thinking of random stuff off the top of my head right now. I just think that would be better well spent. That would be my advice and feedback to IPSY, and I think that's where my plus killed it this month and not Ultimate. I definitely feel they are cheating us a little bit with putting in a lot of items that are from the typical glam bag, counting them as full-size items, and not giving us the actual full-size items that we get in our plus. My IPSY playlist will be linked to watch previous unboxings. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. We're unboxing it now. Ta-da! So we have a card and we have the bag. Now the bag doesn't look bad. As I mentioned, this is probably the item I'm most excited about, and it's a big makeup bag that I feel like I can put a lot in. It's actually not as deep as I thought it was going to be. That's a little letdown, but it has a nice zipper right here to separate some of your brushes. That way it's not getting this dirty, but I definitely feel like I will get some use out of this. I still think the leopard one that I got, I think it was November's, is still my favorite bag, but this is not too far off from being one of my favorites. And just fair warning, I'm sorry if I come off negative in this video. I try not to be negative. I try to have this very positive environment on my channel. It's just, I am paying $50. I am a customer to the service as well. I don't feel like my money's being well spent, and I definitely feel that ever since they launched this, it has changed, and not for the good. I definitely think they could be improving a little bit more, and I think BOXYCHARM Premium is actually doing a really good job with what they're doing. I might not agree with everything that they're doing, but at least I am a little bit more excited about the brands and the products they feature in that versus this. I feel like they are fair to compare against each other because both of these services, BOXYCHARM and IPSY as a whole, has been around for a while now. I still have no makeup on just because I do like to do the try-on style. I had asked in some previous videos if you guys still like the try-on style, and you guys do. Enjoy the ratchetness. Especially me picking at my cystic pimple. You don't pick at cystic pimples. I do, and now I'm scarring, and now I'm paying the price for it. The first product, which doesn't seem too bad, is this Sweet Chef Kale and Vitamin B Serum Shot. This is a full-size item that retails for 20 bucks. I think that's pretty fair, actually. It's supposed to hydrate and soothe dry skin. I definitely need a good serum in my skincare routine. I struggle finding serums. I think there was like a vitamin A one in pink packaging. That could have been one. I don't really know much about this brand, but what it claims to do seems pretty exciting. So I am gonna take a little bit on my hand. That's what it looks like. It doesn't smell like kale. It smells, there's a moisturizer that it smells like. Maybe it's like Tatcha water cream almost. And it says to follow with the moisturizer afterwards if desired. Doesn't feel too bad, actually. I don't know. I have to implement this in my routine. I do like it from the aspect that it's a new brand, and I feel like the price is pretty fair for it. It's actually on like the more affordable side for a serum. It's on my bare skin. I haven't washed my face since this morning. It is nighttime. Guess I should have waited to implement it tonight. I was a little anxious. I wanted to get like a little first impression before. Next we have, by the brand Fan, the Eden Breeze Body Butter. This is a full size that retails for for $19. I know in the profile where it asks, how often do you want to receive products like these? I don't want to receive body butters. I don't need to receive lotions, body butters, items like that in a subscription box. I can go to Target and buy like the cheap lotion that will hydrate me just fine. That is just my 2 cents. I don't find the necessity to really splurge on lotion or body butters. That is just me. I find this more of an essentials item than skincare or makeup. So I'm not going to want to splurge on an item like this. I would have rather this been a foundation, a primer. I'm already bad about using lotion, and this is coming from a very dry skin girl. I know I'm not going to get use out of this. I'm just going to set it aside for a future giveaway. I want someone to get some use out of this, especially with this colder weather. Spoiler alert, January giveaway is coming up soon, so don't forget to be subscribed and have your notifications on when that will go live. Let me know in the comments if you got this in IPSY Ultimate. How was your experience with it? Next we have this Farrah 160F face brush. This is counted as a full-size item and retails for $12. I don't have issues with Farrah brushes, don't get me wrong. I mean, the last set that we received, not the best Farrah set. We're only getting one brush. Why are we cutting corners and not getting like the full face set or a full eye set like we used to in Plus? Again, this is coming from a person who loves to get brushes in their subscription box, but one brush. We got those brushes that are actually IPSY brand brushes last month. I like that bronzing brush. The blush brush that got decluttered real quick. So I'm just still annoyed of just one brush. I find it cutting corners of it being a full-size item, because this could have been a full brush set, like a full face brush set. I would have been completely fine with, but just one. No, I'm actually working on a brush declutter right now, so this will be set aside as well with the butter. Next, we have by Marc Anthony, the True Professional 100% Extra Virgin Coconut Oil and Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. This is a deluxe size sample. I really like the Marc Anthony, I almost said Marc Jacobs, leave-in conditioner. I actually really enjoy this brand a lot. When I used to have just a normal IPSY Glam bag, this was a brand I received quite frequently. The products were really good. They're pretty affordable at Ulta. I consider this to be more drugstore. I'm on the fence if I'm going to keep this or not, just because I do have a lot of hair products right now. I kind of have a good regimen going on, working on a hair care video as well for you guys. I do get a lot of questions about the mane that's currently in this bun right now. Another full-size item. This is the Pretty Woman nail polish in Don't Be Jelly. This retails for $7.99. I got nail polish last month. Why am I getting another one? I basically got almost like the same color. I think I actually might have this color already by this brand. When IPSY started launching the IPSY shopper deals, that's where I actually stocked up on nail polish. I just feel like I don't need much. I haven't had my nails painted in a hot minute. I just have so much right now. It's part of something I'm doing in 2020, just trying not to be as wasteful like with these products. If these products were to stay in my possession, they won't get the love that they deserve. Next we have by the brand Yvette, the Daily Fresh Squeeze Sheet Mask Duo in Grape and Lychee. These are considered a full-size item that retails for $8 for the set. I have nothing against sheet masks. I love sheet masks. I guess it will be set aside with the Marc Anthony if I decide to keep it or not, because I've already received 2 this month. I don't want to be wasteful and hold on to items thinking I am going to use them. Next we have by the brand Hey Honey. This is Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. This retails for $49. I've only tried Hey Honey products through IPSY. So far, everything I have tried, I have liked, especially that morning serum. So good. It says exfoliates to lift away impurities and drama. I'm excited about this. I think I am going to keep this, even though I do love my sleep masks, as you can tell from like this lovely scar and some other cystic acne I got going on. I feel like my face needs an actual mask. Next we have by the Balm, the Alternative Rock Volume 2. This retails for $27.50. I feel like the Balm is a brand that we have been seeing a lot recently in IPSY. The packaging is really cute. The eyeshadows aren't bad. I like the face products. I'm trying to be a little bit more proactive on wearing makeup every single day, and I haven't recently. I think that this would be good to at least put in my purse. I have some shimmers I can just put on my eyelids, and then if I was feeling a little bit more adventurous, I have a bronzer, blush, and a highlighter to spice it up a little bit. We'll do some swatches in a little bit. I'm not that excited to see the Balm. I think it's just been a brand that's been featured a lot recently in IPSY, kind of like how Wonder Beauty usually shows up every once in a while, which we haven't seen them in a hot minute. If you really want to wow me, IPSY, put a Pat McGrath like little quad in here. The second I pause or cancel the subscription, that's when it's gonna happen. This next product angers me. This is by the brand This Works Deep Sleep pillow spray. What the fuck? When did I ever check that off in my box of wanting a pillow spray in my IPSY Ultimate? Never have I ever. I have a bunch of these from Fortune Cookie Soap and the aromatherapy from Bath & Body Works. A lot of this to me is a hoax. I can douse my pillows in spray like this and I'm still up. It's a lovely thing called anxiety. I doubt that this worked because they also said that weighted blankets were supposed to be good for anxiety. I fell into that trap. I got one and I feel like it caused more anxiety. I did not find it relaxing at all. I felt like it was suffocating me. I thrash a lot in my sleep. I guess with something so heavy on me, it made me even more anxious because every time I woke up, the blanket was actually off the bed on the ground. Next we have by the brand Ahava, the Essential Day Moisturizer. Allegedly, this retails for $67. I don't buy that. And it also says an IPSY exclusive. That's another thing that's triggering me right now. I feel like that's why the price is so inflated, because it's an IPSY exclusive. I don't give a damn if it's an IPSY exclusive. I could care less, honestly. It's supposed to be an essential day moisturizer for normal to dry skin. But you know what? I haven't had any luck with this brand. This brand does not work out for me. I am the driest of them all. Nothing about this brand has ever helped. If I were to try it right now, it would just get decluttered. Next we have by the brand Flesh. This is the Touch Flesh Highlighter Balm in the shade Pinky and it retails for $18. This is a brand that's been very hit or miss for me. I like their bullet lipsticks. I hate their liquid lipsticks. Talk about flaking. I've never had a liquid lipstick flake so bad on me. Their blush is really nice. That's probably like the best product I have tried by Flesh. This is not gonna work out for me at all. These are not my favorite ways to apply highlighter. They look super greasy on me. I don't like it. I don't know how to make it work on me. It reminds me a lot of the Benefit What's Up, which was actually the first highlighter I've ever tried. I probably said that really weird because it sounded really weird when I said it. I want to swatch it because it does look pretty. It's just, I don't want to swatch it and just toss it in the trash right after. And then the last product, this was actually the choice item that I picked. Probably shocked I did not choose a Huda Beauty palette because I already own all the Huda Beauty palettes. I am getting one of my Plus, which will be in a giveaway as well. This is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Easy on the Eyes Clay Liner in Black. This retails for $19. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, that feels good. I have not tried this liner yet. This is very just meh for me. And like I said, I don't want to seem ungrateful for like the products I did receive. I do pay for the service. I guess I wish some of these products excited me a little bit more. Let's try some swatches of this palette. Let me think about it. Don't give a shits. Sodium Fine. I really appreciate the sciencey names. Am I right? As Zine on TV, the parents are gone. None of your bismuth, bare minimum, nickel buy you dinner. And this is what the palette looks like. I actually really liked how everything swatched. I think there's pigment throughout every shade, whether it's an eyeshadow shade or a face product shade. I really like this shimmer right here. And then the blush and the highlighter are also my favorite. I think this would be good for an everyday look. Like I said, I might just put this in my purse if I'm feeling a little bit adventurous, having makeup on for work. I'm gonna prime with this Touch and Soul Glassy Balm. I'm just gonna take some of my Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. This is gonna be a little light for me, but I don't want that much coverage. I'm gonna go in with some powder afterwards. And then I'm gonna take some of my Laura Geller Balance and Brighten Powder Foundation. And then to fill up my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. We'll set with the NYX Control Freak. And then prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Potion Primer. I'm gonna take this Am I Right shade right here. This will be a nice transition shade. Take it very lightly here, putting it all up in the crease. Oh yeah, that's like a perfect transition shade right here. I feel like I have not created a neutral look in a hot minute. I'm like, what am I doing? I think I'm gonna take this shade, Sodium Fine. There was this Facebook group that we had at Western. I forget what it's called. Something like WCU Crushes or something. I don't even know if the page exists anymore. I remembered Anon submitting saying that I was Sodium Fine. I don't know if that's a compliment, an insult, or what, because I was a chem major. There was this guy, I'm not gonna call him out. He would always stare at me. I don't know if he ever got the hint or not. Obviously I was with Griffin. I had no interest at that point. Seemed to be in like all my chem classes my last year, and I have a feeling it was him that submitted that, and no. But he, I think, is like married and has like a kid now, so good for him. Ooh, there's a lot of fallout. Can I fluff this out at all. It doesn't seem to budge. Blend, bitch. Move. Diffuse. Is it kind of cute? No. Let's take as Xenon TV to try to salvage the rest of the lid. This would probably be good to apply with your finger or MAC Fix, and guess what? I'm not doing either. Tap and bring the two together. There you go. Maybe I just went in the wrong order. I'm gonna take some of my douche eyeliner. It's drying out on me super quick, so might as well use it up. Gotta pan something in 2020, or it's coming back to life. Let's try this Tarte Easy on the Eyes eyeliner. Oh, it is retractable. Cool. And just to stay on the Tarte train, I'm gonna take the Big Ego mascara. Now we have face products to use. None of your bismuth. I actually really like Balm bronzers. I thought it was gonna be almost too light for me, but I think this is like almost a perfect bronzing shade. And then Bare Minimum, which is how I feel like this look is. Maybe if I don't go to sleep tonight, I can just salvage this look for tomorrow morning. Going on like how I've been liking my blushes lately on the more neutral side. I used to like hardcore heavy blush. I don't know if that was ever a trend, but I liked it. I think that the highlighter is going to, as I almost take out my face with the palette, is going to make this look not as neutral no more. I feel like this highlighter is going to be popping. I actually really like that. So the highlighter is blinding. I guess I can add a lip. Anastasia Beverly Hills Trust Issues. And then I'm going to set my face with the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day. I don't think IPSY Ultimate was off to a great start for January 2020. Personally, I found the box to be very underwhelming. These aren't products that I necessarily want, and I feel like it doesn't match my profile. I remember seeing like the other products that you can get as add-ons, and nothing spoke to me, and I think that's a sign. I haven't gotten add-ons since Ultimate launched, and I used to go add-on crazy. Nothing is exciting me about IPSY Ultimate at all, and that is from both a brand and a product standpoint. The add-ons that I have seen that have caught my attention, I already own or got in a previous box, so I just don't have the need to repurchase them right away. And if you get IPSY Ultimate, I would definitely love to know what you got in your box. And if you didn't get Ultimate, did you get the Glam bag or the Plus? I would love to know what your thoughts on it. Do you guys think that IPSY has declined since the Ultimate launch? Are you guys still excited about IPSY? I've been a little bit more excited about BOXYCHARM and Boxy Premium, which I feel like 2019 I was a little bit more negative about BOXYCHARM. I was more pro IPSY, and I feel like the roles are slowly changing right now. Do I feel that my $50 were well spent? No. That's a Cane's game right there in the lower bowl. But hey, we live and learn. Am I gonna pause for February yet? I don't know. I really want to pause for February, and I feel like I'm giving IPSY Ultimate too many chances just to get my feelings hurt. I actually might keep it and see what the items you can choose from, and then based off that, I might pause or cancel the subscription. Like, I want to believe in IPSY, but I've been so let down since Ultimate launched. I feel like if Ultimate's having a good month, Plus is suffering. For December, Ultimate wasn't terrible. It wasn't the best, but it wasn't terrible. But Plus was complete garbage. And I feel that January, Ultimate is garbage, but Plus is really good. I would have been content with just my Plus. And I feel like the $25 was well spent for that. Can't really justify $50 on this. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, thank you for the view anyways. I'll see you in the next video.